Solve the equation x times, in parentheses, x minus 20 is equal to a negative 100. We can see that as we multiply these two x's, we're going to get an x squared term. This is a quadratic equation. Let's put it in standard form. Starting by using the distributive property on the left-hand side, we'll get an x squared minus 20x. And let's add the 100 to the left so that we can have this set equal to 0. So x squared minus 20x plus 100 is equal to 0. We have it in standard form. Now let's factor this left-hand side. X squared minus 20x plus 100 is a perfect square trinomial, and it factors as x minus 10 times x minus 10, or x minus 10 quantity squared. Now, as we use our zero factor property, we just have one factor. It's a repeated factor. So let's set x minus 10 equal to 0. Solving for x, we get x is equal to the number 10. We've got repeated factors here, result in a repeated solution. We've got a single solution to this quadratic equation. It is the number 10. Let's summarize that by saying the solution set is 10.